Home tab, home ribbon. There is a button here in the element group called merge center, and if I click on that, you can see it merges all those cells together. So now this is one big cell and it centered it. Okay, merging center is very helpful. So it basically breaks down the cell wall between cells. Like I said before, the text are not quite fitting in the cell, so it disturbed me a lot. So I could go up here at the top like I showed earlier and click the drag and make sure everything fits. There is a shortcut I would like to show you. Just go between any two of the column letters and double click on it. If you do that, look what happens to it. You see automatically will perfectly size the column so that all of the text will fit. I could do that also to the text, purchase, value and others. Let me show you another magic that is a little bit of time saver. Instead of double clicking between every single column, look what I could do. Click and drag on the column letter all the way across the end of my data. Then double click in between any two columns and notice now it automatically resizes every column. It is now perfectly sized. If I browse left, you'll see that everything is now okay. You can see now this makes your data looks very nice, isn't it? So you see it's now easier for you to understand. Okay, so there is a good reason sometimes to keep the column narrow even if all the text doesn't fit. So now I would like to click on the movie inventory to underline it, so to set it that apart as the title. And down here I would like to make all those columns look different. I will highlight them. I will go up and make them bold, and let's say I will italize now so that they will look a bit different. So you see how I did that. I just went to row number 2. I highlighted the entire row and all the way to the right. So that is how I selected it and it looks effective. Alhamdulillah, this is all for our first lesson. I hope you are familiar now with the different names of the layout in Excel. We know what to call the different things like the tab, the group, the ribbon, things like what we also know about columns, rows, cells, and ranges, sheets, and workbooks. We also know how to change data, select it, to effect it, and to change it, how it looks very nice on our screen.